as the quantum of negative yielding bonds has really accelerated to the upside. Gold was moving sideways for a long time. As we see, the volume of negative yielding bonds, that's the white line, was also moving sideways. So from late 2016 into latter part of 2018, point to point, there was no change in either of them. But now that we've had a further resurgence in negative yielding bonds, we can see a very tight correlation with the volume of negative yielding bonds and the dollar price of gold. This is in dollar terms. So with the small decline in negative yielding bonds, we've also seen a small decline in the dollar price of gold. It's up today because of the action, I think, in the ECB, and also there was a pretty high CPI number on the core basis, 2.4 now year over year of the United States, which is obviously above 2.